Wake up, baby. You gotta wake up. Teddy! Wake up. Oh, I'm so tired, but I'm sleeping too much. I want to sleep tonight so my mommy can sleep. Oh, I got to wake up. Teddy. 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 Wake up. I have a lovely bunch of coconuts. Oh, Teddy's so sleepy. Hey! Oh, somebody's waking up. Do I smell a diaper that you have for mommy? You had a good nap. Now wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Ooh, I see an eye. Where's the other one? Where's the other eye at? You going back to sleep? Are you going back to sleep, Teddy? Psst. Oh, you sleepyhead. Teddy. Foot. Ooh, Teddy. Teddy's a farty boy, farty boy, farty boy. Teddy's a little farty boy. Yay. Have a foot. Oh, look at these little toes, these little feet. They're so cute. Aww. Ooh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Ooh, that's a long boy. And he's going back to sleep. Ah! Oh, it's so hard to wake up. So hard. Teddy. Oh, Teddy, put it again. Oh, so sleepy. So sleepy. Look at those chubby thighs. Chubby thighs. Mommy feeds me good. Oh, I'm waking up finally. I gotta kick and stretch and kick and stretch. Stretch some more. Oh. Hey. Oh, I think I'm hungry. Yeah. I'm gonna eat the blanket. You can't eat the blanket, Teddy. I'm sorry. That's not Mommy. Okay, see? He's waving bye. Okay, bye-bye.